Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Apriyansa, and this video I will read journal with the title English Teacher Strategies in Managing Large Class, a Case Study. Introduction. English plays very important roles in many fields of human life. It can be used in education and business to get information, job and entertainment. Ready 2016. Richard 2015 also adds that English may be required for social survival and employment for new immigrants in English-speaking countries, as essential for education and business for some learners. The language of travel and related activities of significance for others, and a popular language for the media, entertainment, the internet, and other forms of electronic communication. It can be concluded that English holds prominent function in many aspects of human life. Learning English is essential for today's generation to adapt to global communication, literature, media, and work in the present and future. Lectural review. Teaching English as a foreign language. Teaching is a way to convey knowledge to students. Teaching may be defined as a process to help students learn how to use something and understand what knowledge is given. Brown 2000. Likewise, the world of teaching includes broad cultural competence and relational sensitivity, communication skill, and the combination of regular and imagination fundamental to student effective practice. Wall and Forzani, 2009. The role of teachers in managing the class. As the facilitator of student learning, a teacher takes on a variety of roles within the classroom. One of the most important roles of a teacher is being a classroom manager. Marzano and Pickering, 2003. Richards and Roger, 2000, explain that the teacher is responsible for determining the content of what is taught, setting an international pattern of classroom activities, and keeping the student organized and focused the lesson. This indicates the important role of a teacher determining student success in learning. Habibi, Mukminin, Sobwan, and Sulistyo, 2017. Classroom management strategies. Management refers to skill in the organization and presentation of lessons so that all pupils are suitably engaged in learning. Smith and Laslet, 2002. Classroom control and classroom discipline are the most commonly used concepts to refer to classroom management during teaching. Merz and Subasi, 2015. Management strategies is a way that is applied by the teacher in the classroom with various aspects and goals to get an achievement in the learning process. Large class. The definition of large class might differ in different contexts. According to UNESCO 2006, in some countries, 50 to 30 students per teachers is considered large, while in other countries this is seen as normal or even quite small, as cited in Track 2050 v. 76. At the same time, Brown 2001 emphasized that for language learning, a class is considered large when it has more than a dozen of students. Teacher strategies in teaching English in large class. In teaching large class, teachers should prepare some strategies to deal with various students with different abilities and personalities and provide them with the opportunity to achieve the learning objective. Some research helps conduct studies about English teacher strategies and managing large class. Methodology, research design, participant, and local of the study. In this study, we use a qualitative research design with a case study approach. Case study is one of the approach used to investigate an issue that happened in one place. Creswell 2007 explained that a case study is the study of an issue explored through one or more cases within the blood system or multiple blood systems over time through the trial and data collection involving multiple sources of information. We used this approach because the major data collection were in the form of qualitative data to find out strategies of English teachers in managing a large class and participants of students on strategies used by their English teachers. Additionally, a qualitative case study was used in this study because the findings of this study might not be generalized to the other state Islamic junior high school, Madrasah Samia in Indonesia. Data collection and analysis. Interview, observation with note taking, and document review were employed to collect the research data. Note taking during observation is necessary to support the data from interview. Abrar Mukminin, Habibi Ashrafi, Makmur, and Marzulina 2080. The observation sheet consisted of 7 education about teacher, classroom management strategies adapted from Baker Westropp theory to 2106. Each indicator considered of several items with a total of 24 items to identify English teacher strategies in managing large class. Ethical consideration. In this research, we used triangulation to validate the accuracy of our research finding gained from data collection. Triangulation is a collaborative evidence process by different individuals. Creswell 2012. Subsequently, there are 6 techniques of triangulation such as investigator triangulation, combat level triangulation, methodology triangulation, time recurrence, and space triangulation. Findings. The research findings as well the 2 research questions of this study. 1. What were the English teacher strategies in managing large class at Home State Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang? And 2. What were the student perception of the strategies used by their English teachers in managing large class on State Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang? Thank you very much for your good attention, and last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.